welcome back. If you're new, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I typically post must-do deal videos on Friday and my CVS hauls on Monday. So for today, I'm going to be showing you CVS must-do deals only using your phone and digital coupons. So we do have some pretty good deals, some cheap ties, some cheap candy, and free cosmetics. This is absolutely amazing, so please stay tuned. All right, so here's another thing. Always check your emails for CRTs. CVS typically sends CRTs or coupons to your email, so always make sure you look at them and clip it to your account. So this Thursday, I did receive a 5 off of 30. I normally get a 6 off of 30, but it's okay. I could work with a 5 off of 30, and on my husband's account, CVS account, he got an 8 off of 40. He typically gets a 6 off of 30. But this is definitely a good amount that we could throw into any scenario. So these are my favorite deals to do at CVS. It's always the spend 30, get $10 back extra buck on the P&G products. So I put together two scenarios so you could decide, which one you need for your household and what's your preference. So I typically need Tide because I do a lot of laundry. LOL, everybody does laundry. So I decided to go with one Tide Pods priced at $12.99, one 12 liquid priced at $12.99, one Downy priced at $5.49. So your subtotal is going to be $31.47. You're going to use a $3 Tide digital coupon, a $3 Tide liquid digital coupon, a one Downy digital coupon, and you're going to use that $5 off of 30 CRT that we got from CVS that was emailed to me, making it $19.47, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck, making it $9.47 or $3.16 each one. This is absolutely an amazing deal because you're getting these big packs, I call them packs, of Tide, which are priced $12.99, and you're only going to grab them for $3.16. All right, another scenario on the spend 30 get $10 back. So this one you can grab one Bounty or one Charmin priced at $10.99. You can grab one Tide liquid or Tide Pods, whatever is your preference, $12.99. You can buy one Downy priced at $5.49. One Tide Pods priced at $5.49. So your total here is going to be $34.96. Your subtotal, you're going to use that 5 off of 30. That you're going to use that 25-cent digital coupon on the Bounty or the Charmin. You're going to use that $3 Tide liquid or Tide Pods coupon, a $1 Downy, and that $1 Tide Pods. You're going to pay $24.71. It's a lot out of pocket, but then you're going to get back a $10 extra buck, making it $14.71 or $3.68 each item, which is not another bad deal because you're saving definitely a lot of money on this. As you can see, the Tide Pods or the Tide liquid is priced at $12.99. You're getting toilet paper or Bounty products, which is worth $10.99 for only $3.68. And again, I feel like this is a good deal for anybody in their household that needs these items. So another great deal to do at CVS is on the Covergirl Cosmetics. They are an offer limit of 1. So you want to go ahead and buy 3 products and get a $10 extra buck rewards. So this time I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to buy one classic blush priced at $7.99, buy 2 eyeliners priced at $6.99 for a subtotal of $21.97. So you're going to use a $3 off of 10 CRT, which expires on the 24th. And we're going to get a mystery coupon on our app, on our CVS app. On Sunday, I'm hoping it's $3. We also have a $2 face digital coupon, and we are going to get a $3 digital coupon, so it might be the eye cosmetics. And we're going to also use a $2 printable coupon or submit it to coupons.com for those $2 back. You're going to pay $8.97. You're going to get back a $10 extra buck, making it free, and a $1.03 moneymaker Oh my God, this is an absolutely amazing deal to pick up this week. Another deal you could do this week at CVS is on the Halloween candy. They're on sale, buy one, get one free. So my store typically has them priced at $5.79. So you can grab one at that price. You're going to get one free. You're going to pay $5.79 or $2.90 each one. It's not a bad deal knowing that we have Halloween right around the corner. Another great deal that you could do at CVS this week is on the cosmetic gift sets. They're priced at $9.99 and you get back a $4 extra back. So you want to go ahead and pick up one gift set priced at $9.99. Use that $3 off a 10 CRT. You'll pay $6.99 out of pocket and get back a $4 extra buck, making it only $2.99 for a cosmetic gift set. This makes a great holiday gift for Christmas time, so this is definitely a great deal to take advantage of.